Jeff Arizona Hot Homestead. Tesmen sent me this and said, Jeff, Arizona Hot Homestead, you're the greatest. Would you please review this? I said I would be happy to. Tesmen Smart Digital Multimeter TM510. Comes in red, blue, green. There's some information there for you. Includes a couple AAA batteries. There's your leads, a nice case, little protective cover here for your leads that go into here. Comes with a manual. The two batteries go behind here, so you take off this protective coating. When you hold this down, comes on. You can take a look. This one here is AC voltage, DC voltage, ohms, continuity, and NCV, non-contact voltage. If you notice, that little gauge there is bouncing between all the options. So when you put your leads in here and you go and you test something, it will tell you what it is. So it will determine if it's DC or AC voltage for you. That's really cool. That's why it's smart. It's a smart meter because you don't have dials and you don't have to guess which one to go with. It will tell you. This is awesome. The backlight, because I'm outside here, the backlight you don't notice, but there's a backlight, so if you're in the dark area, it will give you some lighting there. Has a flashlight. Hold this down, and there's a flashlight. And you hold this down again, gets the NCU, no, that's NCV, and up here it tells you the sensor. All you do is you put it up against something and it will tell you what the voltage is. This is really cool. You just hold this down again and it changes back over. Now when you do the non-contact, you do have to make sure these are out of here, so unplug these. And there you go. I love this thing. This makes it so easy, so you don't have to play around with the dials. Just use it. Jeff Arizona Hot Homestead. See you, bye, have fun. Get one of these, dude. This is awesome.